Good morning, everyone. This is another Monday, and we're starting our daily vlogs. And I need to go to work, just like I don't know, I guess most of the people. So let's go outside, and I'll put the camera on the back of the car because I haven't filmed anything from that mount yet, and we'll see how that's gonna go and what it's gonna film. Let's see how low the temperature in the car is going to drop down to, because it's measuring the temperature in the underground parking all the time, and once you start moving it's going to measure the actual temperature outside, which is obviously lower, and it's going to tell me. Wow, it's so dark still outside. Okay, so I'm gonna mount the GoPro to the back of the car and see what footage that's gonna give us. Alright. Let's try this. Early morning, 7 a.m. This is the mount. And let's see. Oh my, I will need to open the... It's okay. Perfection. Let's see. There we go. Let's go. Well, it ends up something like this. I've decided to get some breakfast first, because otherwise it will be really hard to start the day. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you guys. Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, I already fucked that up, eh? Hello everyone, welcome back to Driving Approach. I'm continuing my Monday vlog. And we're still going through, and now it's much brighter outside and you can see me better. That's pretty much all of the updates for now. Yeah, it was 7, it's 7:56 now. What else can I tell you? You can see my haircut better right now, you know, with all this light that wasn't there at 7 a.m. Now it is here, and you can see my haircut better. What do you guys think? Yeah. Some people are saying it's pretty clean, and I would 100% agree with them. Yeah, just regular Monday morning. Apparently there was a time change from yesterday to today, and that's why it feels that is much earlier than it is. Well, because it is later than like it's 7:56 right now, and yesterday it was 6:56 at this time. So yeah. It was so nice, peaceful and quiet here at 7 a.m. everywhere on the roads. Not a lot of cars, not a lot of people. Now it's all changing, all the people coming out and all the cars driving around. I think we're starting little by little to get back to the traffic that we had before, but it's still not the same. I don't know if it ever will be fully the same. Okay guys, I'm gonna continue driving. I'll keep you posted, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna turn on my camera on. This day is continuing. I was super busy with a lot of stuff that's going on, and yeah, I just wanted to turn on the camera to make a conclusion for this video, for this vlog, for the Monday of 14th. Yeah, what is it, 3:51 p.m. I still have a lot to do today, and I don't think I'll get to editing at all. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned, check out other videos, check out the next videos, subscribe, like, and thank you for watching Driving Approach. Bye.